Paano ba mag-certify ng pag-ibig loan sa employer? Using virtual pag-ibig account. Paano malalaman ni employer na may pending loan kahit hindi lagi nakalagin sa pag-ibig virtual account? Malalaman ni employer sa pamamagitan ng pag-email ni Pag-ibig Fund na may pending loan application ng employee. As you can see guys, merong email si Pag-ibig Fund na nag-i-inform na may pending Pag-ibig short-term loan filed by employees na kailangan ng approval ni employer via virtual Pag-ibig employer account. Makikita nyo guys, merong isang pending short-term loan applications. Para makita natin kung sino ang nag-apply ng loan, click view. After lumabas yung list of pending loan application, click mo lang yung select. Tapos, click Select Action. Then, click Certify. Then, input gross monthly income of the employee. Then, input net monthly income. What is gross monthly income? A gross monthly income is the amount you earn every month before any deductions such as taxes, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig contributions. What is net monthly income? Amount of monthly income remaining after all deductions have been taken. For example guys, yung monthly income niya ay 20,000. Tapos i-deduct yung SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig contribution. Matitira na lang ay 18,600. Loan application successfully certified and submitted to Pag-ibig Fund for processing. So makikita nyo guys, naka-zero na yung pending short-term loan application. Guys, i-check lang natin kung nasa approved status na ba yung in-approve natin kanina na loan application ng employee. So, ayan na guys, nasa approved list na siya.